Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.
Hey everybody, so today I just wanted to show how we can do text-to-speech in LabVIEW, so you can enter text and have it spoken by a voice of your choice. There's a couple different ways you can do this. This integrates with the Microsoft Speech SDK using ActiveX. There's also .NET implementations out there that you can also leverage. Similarly, you can do stuff, integrating Python or C DLLs and stuff to get similar results. But yeah, so the meat of this here, and then I do also have a kind of application where you can do recording and whatnot as well that I'll highlight. Just the meat of this, I wanted to show how we're actually converting this text here to speech. So let's just run this VI.
This is a test to see if it works.
So it does work. Sweet. And I can switch to female and make sure that...
This is a test to see if it works.
Yep. So we know, yeah, our text-to-speech does work. So if you haven't worked with ActiveX in LabVIEW before, it's really, really similar to .NET. You're still using, property nodes and invoke nodes to interact with just a reference. So we do have this automation open right here. So this is where we're actually going to be specifying basically our constructor node for ActiveX. And then we're passing in some sort of reference to some ActiveX class here. That's opening it up. And then this highlights the methods you need to use to be able to get your voices. We're selecting which index of the voices. I have it mapped right now to just male or female. There are actually more than just that. So if you want to go try others, just pass in different indexes here. There are more than just two. Just for simplicity's sake, I just dialed it into just male or female. And then the selected voice is getting passed in here to tell it which voice to use, and then we're telling it to speak and passing in the text that we want it to speak. And for reference, this ActiveX reference is the speechlib.ispeechVoice. So if you just drop a constant there and go to select ActiveX class and go to browse, you just need to go find this guy, which is in version 1.3. Yeah, that's basically all it takes to get text-to-speech in LabVIEW. So now let me highlight the application itself. So this is simple program, basically just allows you to input a whole bunch of different lines, and you can add custom delays in between lines as well. So meant to be just a tool for, if I'm recording, maybe if I want to write like a script or something for like a training or something, right? If I've created some video of something and I want to create like a voiceover, but I don't want to use my own voice, can use this, and it'll record it and save it as like a .wav file, so I can just upload the file or use that to, with my video to superimpose it over. Yeah, basically just say whatever text you want. And add another line. We've got that there. Let's add a delay, have it just wait a second, and then add one more line. And let's start recording. It's going to prompt me where I want to save my WAV file.
We are learning about LabVIEW. We learned about text-to-speech. Thanks for tuning in.
And we're done. So that's basically it. I mean, really simple example. Really not a lot to it. Just highlighting some of the code here. So yeah, basically just have an event handling loop that is kind of just responding to those couple button clicks. Nothing crazy. Yeah, so yeah, nothing wild. Have this sequence engine. All it's really doing is just running basically line by line and passing that into the text to speech. And if it has that wait, instead of doing the text to speech, it just adds a little delay in there. So nothing crazy. And you can see, yeah, when you hit the record, yeah, we're just passing in either a run or stop, so you can stop recording as it's running if you don't want it to finish. Yeah. And then down here we basically just have our recording code. So this is just connecting to your initial sound input device, starting the task, and then it's just reading the sound data and logging that to file. So we just have this sound file right open. And yeah, we're just logging until it's done. So yeah, like I said, nothing super crazy. And that's basically all it is to the code. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in.